Hello, Rita here with part 2 of my solo travel vlog. Guys, please help my channel grow. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to this channel. And we are in Castelló. This reminds me of Castelló, you know the drink?
Oh, yeah.
Castelló.
But then you don't pronounce it as Castelló. In Spanish, the double L, it's more like Castellón.
Oh, the place name is Castellón, not Castelló. Don't read it as Castelló, guys. Namibians, Bamboos, do not read it as Castelló.
This is the thing with Spanish. If it's a double L, you don't read it as L.
Okay, so if it's a double L, don't read it as
more
an
like
L. So this week, this vlog is going to feature my bucket hat. In every video, don't get tired of it. It's going to feature this because this is my lifesaver, man.
Your girl's hair is a mess.
My dear, bad hair day. Plug a girl with a... Okay, it's not that bad, but it's not that bad. Alright, guys. So we just finished having a drink. So I'm walking to the apartment now. I'm back home and I shall have a bath, settle in, sleep, and then I'll show you around tomorrow. It's really cold. Alright, bye guys. Good night. See you tomorrow. Back. I'm ready to take you with. I am going to take you with to my adventure. I'll be going hiking. Yes, hiking. Me hiking. So I'll be going to this. Let me just show you this mountains. Like that is the path. So I'll be going on one of those hiking trips. Guys, wish me luck. I'm ready to see what's on top there. I heard it's about 6 to 7 kilometers apparently. Laugh with me. So that is the view behind. So far I worked 0 kilometers. Wish me luck. Such a beautiful view though. Look at that. So it's a sign where we are. Oh, guys, I don't even know if I'm going to reach if I keep stopping like every second. But I need to keep going, so I will probably talk to you. Oh, my bag on the way. I put on my sunglasses because the sun is just all over, so I want to take a picture. It's such a beautiful place though. This is my hiking outfit, guys. I'm so posh like that. Thank you. Such a calm beach, guys. Look at that. I am about to enter like the canal. So dark, so long. Whoo! Let's go, let's go, let's go. We did 4 kilometers so far, 3 more to go, and then yeah, it's a wrap for today. It's so dark in here, but yet there's still light. Okay guys, so I'm almost done. Honestly, I don't know where I'm going to, but apparently at the final stop there's some beaches, so I'm planning to go rest at that beach. When I get there, read my book, grab something to drink, and then I go back to, because I'm in a village right now, so I'll have to go back to the closest city where I am booked, called Castelló. Ooh, my pronunciation. Yeah, but guys, if it's one thing that I can tell you from the experience that I am having right now, is that wait, I need to say this in the light again, or maybe, okay, hold on my water break, I'll continue with this, what I wanted to say to you. Let me get out of this tunnel first. So I found a beach. I made it. I'm not gonna go up that way. I'm not gonna go up that way anymore. So I found a beach there. I'm gonna chill here. I'm going to chill here at the beach. So yeah, and I feel I can sit here, rest, talk to you guys a bit, take a few pictures, and then move on. Okay. I made it to the beach after like 5 kilometers, and so far so good. The sun is out, your girl is being sun-kissed. It's beautiful, guys. Oh yeah, back to what I wanted to talk to you guys about. So I wanted to tell you that guys, just one thing, take that trip, go on that solo date, take yourself out, go sit at that restaurant alone. Just do you, guys. Like, stop waiting on your friends so that you can start enjoying things or going to places. You know that WhatsApp group that was created for you guys to travel to maybe Swakop, London, America, Bali, Thailand, and people keep leaving the group one by one? Just go. It's okay. Even if you have to go alone, believe me, like, I'm in Spain right now, and I'm in a village. Like, it's a village, it's a coastal village town. This is the third Spain city I'm visiting, and I don't know anyone here. In fact, I didn't even know where I was going when I was taking that hike. I took the 4-kilometer hike, okay, 5-kilometer hike, and then I saw this beach, so I decided to just sit here, relax, drink water, talk to you guys a bit, and catch up. And believe me, I was just like, I don't know where I'm going, but I'm doing this. I walked, I prayed throughout, I sang, I listened to music. It's such a beautiful experience. Just go out, take that trip, guys. I've been contemplating to come to Spain for like 3 years now, 4 years now. Like, I need to go to Spain. It's winter. I came to Spain in winter, and everyone says Spain is like so nice in summer. But I'm like, you know what? I'm not waiting for summer. I am not waiting for summer. I'm taking this trip. I'm coming. So that's why it's a bit still cold, and the beaches are not as packed, because it's still winter, but it's beautiful. I love being here. It's giving off this Swakop vibe, but more than Swakop, you know. Yeah, so right now I was here for like plus minus 2-3 hours. I had brought a book with to read. I drank my water. So now I am going to go like towards like that side where those buildings are. I'm going to walk around the beach, and then I'm going to find a bus or a tram that will take me to where I'm sleeping, because I'm sleeping in another town. I'll put all the details below to where I am and how long it took me to come from here to the other town. I'll put it all below, but honestly, just take that trip, guys. Do you? It's okay. You get to meet people. You get to meet beautiful local people, and it's just amazing. Okay. All right. So I'm going to get dressed now. I packed in this. So I packed in this like jumpsuit, bodysuit thing. Like I was wearing it under. Like totally forgetting that I'm coming to a beach. I didn't pack in like, cause I didn't think that I'll stop at a beach, right? I was like, oh my gosh, I have this thing. Let me wear it and just take it off and feel sand. I found my AirPods. Now I need to find good lighting. Okay, I want to sit down actually. So this is it. I had a great time at the beach, and we are here. New location, gang. Yep. So I'll show you around this town as well. That was the end of my day trip to Benicàssim. Oh, my Spanish. Give me zero, a big zero. So I'm back here. Yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog with me. Hope you guys had fun. And tomorrow, right now, I am going back to where I'm booked. I'm booked in another city. So depending on the weather, I'll take you around as well. Morning, guys. Morning. Good morning. It's a rainy day today, and I'm taking a walk, like a morning walk. Now I'm going back to the apartment. Yeah, so see you later. Welcome back. I am now heading up. I just freshened up, so I am going to check out the beach part and just maybe go grab a coffee and like a restaurant or something. If it's one thing that I advise when you're traveling like alone, or like traveling in general, whichever place, it doesn't matter where you're going, always book yourself like in a place that's in the city center. That way you are close by to, like, for example, the train station. And also just have Google Maps. Google Maps is your to-go lifesaver. If you have Google Maps, you are good to go. Okay, so I'm already at the train station. So that is the main station. Go through the back because I think I have to get a tram. And okay, so I found the tram. It's coming in 5 minutes to 5. So T1. We made it to Crow. I'm not sure if this is a port or a beach, but let's go find out. I think this is a port. Looks like a port to me. Maybe I can just get there and then I see how I can get to the beach, because this is actually a port. Guys, like, you know what I find so amazing is the color of this water. I don't know if it's sweet. Like, it's so turquoise, so nice and blue. So this is actually a port, but it's not what I really wanted. I wanted the beach. So I made it. Cheers. I made it to the beach. I got some food. I got some ugliest burger. Doesn't even look appetizing. With bacon. Gosh. The lighting is not the best here, but we move. Oh yeah, one thing that I wanted to share with you guys is, guys, don't be afraid to ask, especially if you're traveling alone, like solo trip. Tip 101: ask for directions. Ask the locals. If you bump into someone, ask them, like, what activities can you do around here? How far is the place from here to here? Like, one thing about, if you're coming to Spain, one thing I realized about Spanish people, they are so friendly. Like, everyone just wants to help out. It's not like the Germans where they'll be like, no, I don't have time, I'm sorry. Here the people are friendly, they'll assist you, so don't hesitate to ask, you know. And so if I had to do this all over again, I would 100%. I would. This was like a very, I can say, blessed trip, and I thank God for being with me throughout this trip. I think being someone that is so adventurous and like trying out things and places, I just go and just do whatever I feel like doing, you know. Like, I don't need to wait for somebody to go with somewhere. Don't be afraid to just try out things by yourself. Okay? So yeah, I'll just be chilling here for a while, maybe get another round and just reflect. I brought a book with, it's in the bag, so maybe I'll like read a bit. Change of plans. I got in a bus. I'm so tired actually. So I'm going straight to Castelló. So this bus goes straight and I don't have to go stop or change somewhere else. Yeah. So I'm back at the apartment. Just pretty much a chill day. I didn't stay long at the beach. I'm so tired today. I'll just be home and go out later tonight. I'm so exhausted for some reason. I don't know why. So I'll just rest a bit before I head out to... Hi guys, morning. I'm leaving now. So everything else is packed. I have my stuff. I got my ticket to go to Valencia because I'll be flying from Valencia airport. Oh my gosh, I was almost late because the ticket machines were not working. So I had to go like at the cashiers and the cashier was not open. He's like, no, you should buy from the machine. And he's just speaking Spanish. And like, I don't understand. I was like, I don't want to be late for my train. So yeah, it was chaotic. Yeah, so come with me. I'm going back. I had such a great time here in Spain. Yeah, I'm so tired. I just ran. I'm waiting for the last train to go to the airport now. The train that I came with was always almost delayed. Like it was actually delayed, so I ran to buy the ticket, and the train to the airport is coming now. Always walk around with an empty water bottle because you can get to fill it up. I mean, if you go through security check, you can't go in with liquid, so it's advisable that the bottle is empty and then you get to fill it up. It's just convenient, and then you avoid buying like 500 liter for like €5 or something, so get your water. So that's like a tip, one-on-one. Always walk around with an empty water bottle. I checked in, all is fine. My flight is at 9:30. It is currently, it's 9:15, and I actually thought I was gonna be late. Oh, thank God, I hate being late. Like, I'd rather be early than late, guys. After being in Europe for quite a while, I actually just picked up that punctuality and time management is key. If you're at the stage of your life whereby you are not punctual, you don't keep time, this is the time, because you don't want to keep missing flights. You will miss flights, you will miss opportunities, you will miss out on so many things if you are always late. Highlights of my trip. First of all, I'd like to say that don't be afraid to ask for direction. Number two, don't be afraid to go explore on your own. Checking into your hotel, get familiar with your surrounding, grab some local food, drinks, just have a good time on your own, you know. Tip number 3, like I said, always walk around with an empty water bottle so that you can refill your water at like this water points at the airport, because water can be so expensive. Food, everything else is expensive at the airport, so you would want to save a few coins. Yeah, so thank you so much, guys, for tuning in. Thank you so much for liking, subscribing, commenting, and sharing my channel, my vlog. Yeah, that. I hope you can hear me because I can't take off my mask now, but I will. I'll probably talk to you when I arrive. Guys, another thing. Always print out your boarding pass. A while ago my app was not opening when the boarding pass usually is, so always have like a soft copy of every travel document that you need, because you're gonna be in for it if you get to the airport and your app is not working or your phone just shut down. To 1, I should be home by 2 or past 2 to 3. Yeah, but so far it's okay. It's just I need to change trains, so after this after I get this S-Bahn, I need to go to another train station, then I change trains. That train will take me home directly. It's gonna go in 2 minutes, so annoyed. Oh, I made it. Oh, I'm out of breath because I had to run. So I made it 1 minute just on time. Yeah. The struggles. Though I'm out of breath because I had to run. There was literally 1 minute left for me to board this train. Otherwise I was gonna wait like for an hour. Let me calm down. Guys, as much as I hate morning flights, I think I kind of like them too, because like it's almost 1, yeah, it's past 1 o'clock and I'll get home early. That means I can still do like a few things when I get home. So yeah, like my flight was at 9:09. Imagine, like I had to wake up at 5 to get to the airport, because I was in a different town. I was in Castelló and my flight was from Valencia, so I had to get to Valencia. But yeah, thank God for the travel mercies. Maybe morning flights are a thing. And do you like morning flights? What's your intake on that? Which flights do you prefer, afternoon or morning? When I fly long distance, like from Frankfurt to Namibia for example, it's always an evening flight. Like, so we board by 9 and 6 o'clock the next day you're like in Frankfurt already. Yeah, so I was busy talking about the flight, like which flight do you prefer taking, the afternoon, morning or evening? Like, hello, we are home, thank God. I'm still at the train station. Oh, there's a train that will come like in 2 minutes. That means I need to run down. I am finally home. Thank you so much for coming with and joining me on this trip. I'll be ending the vlog here, or the traveling vlog here. I still have like a few errands to run. It's just 3 o'clock now, so I still have time to